The following is example 6.1 out of the textbook on page 246. We're asked to calculate the change in energy for a system undergoing an endothermic reaction in which 15.6 kilojoules of heat flows and where 1.4 kilojoules of work is done to the system. For this type of question, we need our equation delta E, delta means change in, E is the energy, is equal to the total heat plus the total work. However, we have to be very, very careful with our sign. We are told that the reaction is endothermic and that work is done to the system. This means that our 15.6 kilojoules for heat, which is Q, has to be positive. It is positive because endothermic means that heat is entering. Endo equals enter. Heat is entering our system. If heat is entering the system, then we're gaining energy. If it were exothermic, heat would be exiting, and we'd have a negative number. As far as the work, we have 1.44 kilojoules is the magnitude. Again, we have to decide of a sign. Here we also have a positive. Work is done to the system. When you do work to something, you're putting something in, so we're adding that energy to our total. So for our delta E, we just have to take our positive 15.6 plus a 1.4, and we get 17.0 kilojoules. This is a fairly simple explanation of a fairly simple problem. If it were exothermic, so exo, we would have a negative value for our heat. If we said that the system does work, then that energy for the work is going to be negative. Again, this is example 6.1 off of page 246.